You guys look.
Okay.
That's a fly.
Okay.
Please blow up. Get away. Yeah, cool. All right. So we are going over our homework from yesterday.
Alright.
So number 4, which was 5 factorial minus 3 factorial.
Oh no.
So the first thing you need to do is you need to find out what is 5 factorial. So that would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4 is 20.
20.
20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. And of course, 120 times 1 is 120. So 5 factorial is equal to 120 minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So 3 factorial is 6. So now we just need to subtract, and I'm going to do it vertically. 0 take away 6. I can't do that, so I must borrow from the tens column, making that 2 become 1, bringing this 2 over here to the 0, making 0 now 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. 1 take away nothing is 1. 1 take away nothing is 1. So 5 factorial minus 3 factorial would be 114. Now, like I said, for our own use that we may need to use it again, we're going to stick what 3 factorial is over here in the corner. I'm going to write 3 factorial is equal to 6, and that 5 factorial is equal to 120, because I may need these numbers again. So let's erase.
Can you unplug it for me? Micah, unplug it, this.
So let's look at number 5. Number 5, 6 factorial minus 4 factorial. Now, one of the things that we know, we have it over there. We know what's 6 factorial, but we're just going to go through it again for the sake of the camera. 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So here we are. 6 times 5 is 30. And we're going to go 30 times 4, which is 120. Then we're going to do 120 times 3, which is 360. And we're going to do 360 times 2, which will give us 720. So we know that 6 factorial is 720. 720 minus 4 factorial. So let's do 4 factorial over here. 4 factorial, which is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And 24 times 1 would again be 24. So 6 factorial minus 4 factorial would be equal to 720 minus 24. So I'm going to take this problem, which I've written horizontally to make it easier for me to subtract. I'm going to write it vertically. 720 minus 24. Can I take 4 from 0?
No.
No.
So I have to do what?
Borrow.
I must borrow from the tens column. That becomes 1. I bring that 1 over here. This 10, this 0 becomes 10. 10 take away 4.
That is 6.
6. Now I have 2. 1 take away 2. I can't do it, so I need to
Borrow.
make that 1 now 11. 11 take away 2.
9.
9. 6 doesn't take away nothing. It's 6. So 6 factorial minus 4 factorial would be 696. Let's do
So, can you unplug it again?
one more. And my folks that my cameraman is doing the camera, he's checking his answers. We're going to go to number 6. Number 6 is 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. So first thing we know, 4 factorial is 4 times 3
3 times 2 times 1.
4 times 3 is 12.
12.
12 times
times
2
2
is 24.
24.
So this is 24.
4.
And then we have 3
Three-
factorial.
3 times 2 times 1 equals 6.
6.
which is 6 minus 6.
6.
So 24 minus 6, and we'll do it
Horizontally. Yeah.
This is horizontally. We're going to do it vertically.
vertically.
So we can't take 6 from 4, so we're going to need to
Borrow.
borrow.
To make it out of 1,
One.
make that a 14.
4 becomes 14. 14 take away 6 is
8.
8. Good job. 1 take away nothing
Is 1.
So the answer to this question would be 18. And we're just going to throw one more out there just because. We're going to do one more. Everybody check their papers. We're going to do one more.
Wait.
Oops. Well, I will do one more because I just threw the thing over. So I'm going to take one of these problems and we're going to do the opposite. I'm going to say 5. This is not what we had. 5 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial. Let's see what we come up with. So what is 5 factorial? 5 factorial
5
is
times
5 times
times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
5 times 4 is 20.
20
20 times
times
3
3
is
is
60.
50.
60 times
times
2
2
is
is
120.
120.
Let's do 4 factorial.
4 factorial.
4
4
times
times
3
3
times
2 times 1.
4 times
So
3
4 times 3,
is 12.
12. 12 times 2 is
24.
24.
24. You know you need to pay tuition. So we know that 4 factorial is 24.
24.
So now we're going to do 3 factorial.
3 factorial.
3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 is
6.
6. So this problem is now 120
120
plus 24
plus 24
plus 6.
plus 6.
So let's do it vertically and make sure that everything is in its place value. So 24, that's in the tens place. And 6 is in the ones place. And 4 plus 6.
10. That is 6.
1.
Oh no.
What is that?
7.
3.
3 plus 2.
5.
5. 1 plus nothing. 1.
1.
So it's 150.
And 50.
Hopefully this will help you as you're working on adding and subtracting your factorials.